Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Jiji Anime Vanguard. We'll cover understanding her role, identifying card types, and the best ways to acquire her cards. You'll learn about different rarities and where to look for specific versions. This guide will help you navigate the world of card fight. Vanguard to find the Jiji cards you desire, making your collection complete and your deck stronger. Jiji is a beloved character from the card fight, Vanguard anime, and her cards are highly sought after by fans and players. These cards are typically found within specific booster sets released over time. You'll encounter various rarities, such as rare, double rare, and special parallel cards, which often boast unique, stunning artwork. Knowing these types helps you target your search effectively. There are several excellent ways to acquire Jiji's cards. You can try your luck by purchasing sealed booster packs or entire booster boxes from game stores. For specific cards, buying singles from reputable online retailers is often more efficient. Trading with fellow players at local game nights or tournaments is also a fantastic option. Don't forget to check secondary markets for those harder to find or special parallel versions. For any collector, a few tips can make a big difference. Always research current card prices before making a purchase or trade to ensure fair value. Protect your valuable Jiji cards with high-quality sleeves and binders to maintain their condition. Joining online communities and forums is great for connecting with other collectors. Attending local tournaments also provides excellent opportunities to meet fellow enthusiasts and expand your collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.